So I've been a bit busy lately, and because of that, I completely forgot to upload any of the track footage from the GP circuit onto Race Render. But now that I got down to it, I realized that I broke my previous lap record by 3 whole seconds. 3 whole seconds. So I'm going to show you guys the old lap time and the new one. Now, a huge shout out to Duseja Moto. These guys are bringing you this video, sponsored by them. Duseja Moto is everything bike. Do check them out there on Instagram and on their website, Everything Bike. Duseja Moto is one of the oldest standalone motorcycle garages here in the UAE, and they are about everything motorcycle. From services to parts to even just storage during the hot summer months. They are everything bike. Apart from this website, they're also on Instagram, so do check them out and give them a follow. fastest lap is what I am going to be aiming to beat the next riding season as soon as winter rolls around. Again, a huge shout out to Duseja Moto for sponsoring this video. You guys are amazing. Thanks a million. And for all you lovely people, thanks for watching. As always, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.